foodies, welcome to Foodland. If you're looking for mid-morning or mid-afternoon snack or any healthy snack for kids lunchbox or after school snacks, then stay tuned for this recipe. These are called energy balls made with all natural ingredients like dry fruits and one secret ingredient called ghee, which is clarified butter. If you do not have that, I have another options as well, so I'll tell you in the video. So stay tuned for the ingredients and let's get started with the recipe. Alright, so let's get started making these energy balls. I have about 2 cups of peated dates. They are de-seeded and I roughly chop them into 3 to 4 pieces just for easy grinding. 1 cup of cashew nuts, they are not salted. 1 cup of almond, they are not salted either, but I have these pumpkin seeds with sea salt. I have shown you the picture before, and just to bind it together, clarified butter or ghee. If you do not have ghee at home, you can use coconut oil. Alright, so let's basically grind everything together. Alright, so after grinding this with almost 2 to 3 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, this looks like that. This looks like coarse consistency, and make sure you can keep adding ghee if you want, and until the ball type shape is forming up, just like that. Again, if you want to add sesame seeds in it or any other seeds, you can do that. So I'll form the ball shape, the round shape later, but I just wanted to show you that it forms like this. Very nice and easy, quick little energy ball, and there is no sugar, everything is healthy. Alright, so let me get all these done. And here you go, my energy balls are ready in minutes, literally in minutes. And here are my quick and easy yet super healthy energy balls done in literally 2 to 3 minutes. So I hope you like this recipe. Get this ready for your mid-time snack, or in school lunch, kids can enjoy this snack. So I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching super healthy, super tasty yet delicious recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Or ghee. If you do not have ghee at home, you can use either sesame seeds or peanut butter, so any such binding agents. So the measurement that I have shown you before, I have made around 20-21 this size balls. So just to keep it in mind if you want to increase or decrease the quantity of ingredients that you're going to use. Alright, so I hope you like this recipe, and do try it at home and let me valuable feedback. I'll be waiting for that. Thank you so much.